Hey, what's up? We're gonna be making Christmas wreath, one of those simple, straightforward grandmother recipes that everyone can make. Because everyone deserves a sweet treat for Christmas, right? And this is going to be the fourth episode of Festive Bread series. Don't miss the next one, and let's get into this, shall we? In a medium-sized bowl, add 2 tablespoons sugar, 4 g yeast, 200 milliliters milk, 1 egg, half a teaspoon or 5 g salt, 50 g melted butter, mixy. Last but not least, 350 g bread flour. Mix everything with a spatula. You don't even need to use your hand until everything comes together. Now cover it up and let it rest for 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, I'm gonna give this bad boy one set of stretch and fold. And then I'm gonna round it up inside the bowl. It's that easy. You can be a little extra and bring it on the surface and round it up with the help of the surface. But that's totally optional. Now into the bowl. This time I'm gonna let it rise for 50 minutes to 1 hour. 50 minutes later, I'm gonna bring my roller pin and sprinkle little flour on the surface and bring the dough on the surface. I'm gonna fold this bad boy a couple of times and round it up on the surface to create a little bit more tension. And now dust up flour, we don't want anything to stick, and roll it up. Roll it thinner or thicker, that's up to you. And then I'm gonna start spreading 40 g butter. That's so satisfying, my friend. Followed by lots of cranberry, raisins, and walnuts. This, my friend, is a winner combination. And then go ahead and add zest of 1 orange plus 2 tablespoons of sugar. And now, time to roll it. You can use a little bit flour and get the help from a scraper if it sticks to the counter. Now make a wreath and seal the string of the dough together. You can adjust the size easily, it's not gonna bother you. On a sheet with baking paper, and at this stage you can be creative. I'm not very good at this thing. I know you can do it better than me. This is just an idea. You can make it and share your photos with me on Instagram. I would love to see that. Let it proof for 1 hour. And now time to egg brush and bake this bad boy at 170 for 40 to 45 minutes. It's not look perfect now, but let me show you a trick. Now snow is falling. And that, my friend, is how a festive bread should look like. Let me show you a flower. Enough with talking and let's see what we got inside. Again, I wish you could smell it. In just few hours, you can make an amazing sweet bread like this. And my favorite part, of course, tasting time. Oh my God, this is my sweet gift to you for Christmas. Make it and enjoy with your family. Keep baking and happy holiday.